Welcome to Byte Buzz Innovations, where we explore the smartest, sleekest, and most exciting cars on the road. If you're looking for honest reviews and future-ready rides, you've landed in the right spot. Let's talk about a mid-size SUV that's shaking up the game. It runs on a hybrid battery with an impressive range of up to 804 kilometers. It's just over 4.8 meters long and nearly 1.9 meters wide, giving a bold, confident road presence. With 3 rows of seating, it's built for families, tech lovers, and everyday drivers who want more from their drive. Under the hood, you get over 260 horsepower, quick acceleration, and drive modes that actually change the way it feels on the road. Sport mode gives you that punchy response, while comfort mode smooths things out like a luxury cruiser. And yes, it's all-wheel drive, so bad weather doesn't stand chance. Inside, it's a tech paradise. A massive curved display stretches across the dash. Voice controls actually work, and the sound system hits deep. You got wireless charging, USB-C ports for everyone, and second-row captain's chairs that feel like business class. It's classy without being flashy, but it's not perfect. The third row is tight for adults, and some trims weirdly don't offer wireless Apple CarPlay. Still, what you're getting here, for a starting price around $32,000, is serious value. So, what do you think? What feature caught your attention the most? Would you choose this SUV over something like the Highlander or Pilot? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Byte Buzz Innovations for more smart car content. Got another SUV in mind? Check out our next video. We might have already reviewed it.